Are you thinking of buying a new pair of footwears? Then wait, let me help you out. Here we'll take a look at a pair of footwears which would look stylish on your feet and keep them well ventilated as well. So keep watching the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sagar. On every Friday I come up with new videos on topics like unboxing, reviews related to tech, movies and web series, DIYs, self-help, hauls and travel related videos. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is up. Here we have the Woodland sports leather sandals. They have been in the footwear market for the past decade or so and have been serving their needs very well. They are available in 3 different colors. Over here we have the camel brown color and they are available in olive green and khaki color as well. So let's get the papers out first. This is how the sandals look. They are made up of genuine leather. You can see that over the tag, and they do have a pretty much comforting design as well. Let's see how they feel, guys. The sole feels quite grippy and they have stitchings on the sides which makes it more attractive as well. These sandals do have the high quality tough and durable rubber soles which helps it withstand the rugged environment, and the compressed EVA midsole helps it absorb shocks and give stability to it. At the top of the sole we have this leather padding which gives a luxurious feel to your feet, but it turns darker over time and thus the sandals look ugly. These sandals do have the nylon padding at the top which comes handy for the protection of your feet. You can see it over there. Woodland has used high quality velcro for the closure as well. It's pretty sticky and does feel premium as well. The most exciting thing about this sandals is this back strip is detachable and we can use the sandals as floaters as well. So we can see it over there. The back strip is detachable. Here it comes out. So this is how they look without the back strip, and we can use them as floaters now. We do get the 90 days warranty in which Woodland covers all the manufacturing defects. If by chance the sandals get wet, it is advised to air dry them rather than exposing them to sunlight. When we talk about styling, you can style the sandals with a plain t-shirt and light colored shorts. Depending on the offer, these sandals will cost you around 2,800 to 3,300. If you are interested in buying them, the link for the sandals is in the video description. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it and it was helpful to you. If you did like it, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel down below. I'll see you again with a new video on the coming Friday. Bye.